The curtains move, but the air stands still. Your photograph is on the windowsill. I trace the frame like it might respawn, like somehow you were never gone. Your jacket's hanging by the door. I haven't moved it like before, as if the fabric holds a trace of the warmth I can't replace. I kept believing love would bend, that broken things could still pretend. If I just held you close enough, we wouldn't fall apart. But it's too late for us. The silence said enough. We tried to hold the fading light, but night was always rushing. I gave you every fragile part, every unguarded trust. Now all that's left between our hands is too late for us. I hear your voice inside my head, and every word we never said. The way you looked away that night, like loving me felt like a fight. I blame myself in quiet rooms, built my guilt like fragile tombs. If I was softer, less afraid, would you have chosen to stay? I felt the distance in your touch, the subtle pulling back too much, and still I beg my heart to wait for something that had changed. But it's too late for us. The truth became too rough. We tried to breathe inside a fire that slowly turned to ashes. I gave you more than I could lose, more than I could adjust. Now all that echoes in this room. It's too late for us. If I whisper your name, it barely fills the space. My harmony falls underneath, like I'm afraid to take its place. I would have carried all your pain if you had let me try, but love can't live on borrowed hope or survive a silent goodbye. It's too late for us, but I still feel your touch in every dream that breaks at dawn, in every tear I'm hiding. I gave you all I was, every fear, every rush, and I won't let this be the end of what we almost were. It's too late for us. Even if you're not the one who stays up. The room grows quiet once again. My harmony fades into the wind, and I finally learned to let it be. Too late for